A lot to learn on Tesla today because we did not get our home runs that we are used to make. We had amazing plays on Tesla in the past, and those were always home runs. So they reported the earnings. It was really like bouncing before the earning. But once the conference call came, traders in our community, you know, this is my 1 hour MTF cloud, this is 1 hour Ripster 3450. It broke away right away. So that was a short right away. And at that time, it was an MTF magnet short in the pre-market. You short here, you're looking for the second MTF, then you're looking for the third daily MTF. Now this morning, my plan was pretty simple. Under all MTFs, bearish buys to short the pops. I was bearish for many reasons. Few reasons were that we rejected big time on this downtrend line. We were under all the key EMAs. We were under a 315 huge support. And as we started the day, we were under our 10-minute Ripster EMA clouds. So everything was pointing towards bearish. That's why I told the traders to short it right at the open. Of course, if it's pushed over the clouds, we would have not shorted it. So as long as the market open, I told the traders to short. The Tesla target is 300. We flushed right from 309 at the open toward 301. Quick 5-minute trade for a lot of traders in the community to make the profits. 300 was our target, but then we bounced. We started to bounce. I gave the traders the warning that it's going to bounce. Wait for 308 or 309. 300 is a big psychological level. You can expect a bounce there. If it breaks, then of course it's going to flush. But the market makers, everybody, they held the 300 psychological level twice today. But anyways, we shorted in the morning. We waited for the pop. I told the traders to short right at 307 or 308 with the stops over 309 because of this candle. So traders bought the put right there, shorted right there, then they faded it all the way back. 512 rejection, stops 309.30. Here are the rejections. Move the stops to break even. As we flushed down, we moved the stops lower. We almost hit our 303 target. So beautiful trade. And finally, when it bounced over here, we exited. So I told the traders 512 calls, get out, and everybody got out here at 302.60. We were happy with our $6, $7, $8 profit on Tesla today. We were hoping for a home run, but that's fine. We'll be ready for it tomorrow. Google top earning play, gap and crap under 195.50, breakout over 198, bullish bias. Once you see this candle, you know it has a chance to get gap and crap. Once this breaks 1950, you take a short right away. That's why I told the traders gap and crap short. The traders were already shorting it once it double topped at 198. This is a double top. You buy the puts and you take it all the way down to the MTFs. I told the traders to move the stops down, cover some at the MTF clouds. It gave another rejections later in the day, but the main trade was in the morning. The short from 196 all the way to 191. So the 195 puts went from $1.50 to $4. $1,500 can turn into 3,000, 4,000, easy 100, 150% trade. Simple setup. If we lost, we would have lost 20, 30%. But we are making 100, 150%. That's how you grow your account, taking these repeatable setups. So now another earning setup. Beat expectations. Support was 1,020, 1,000, 1,040, 1,050 resistance. Bullish bias to long versus 1,020. Gap and crap under that level. As soon as I saw this heavy candle, then I told the trader it's a gap and crap versus 120. You wait for the pop. You see it pop towards 120, you short it right there. And you can short it here too, but then you have a $10 risk and you're trying to make $10 or $20. But if you short it 10, 15, you put $5 stops, you see we ran all the way to 985. So you easily made $20 per share profit. It's a big stock, doesn't really mean that you can't short it. Or you buy puts, 1,000 puts, started at $6, $7, they went to 20, 100% trade. You just don't need too many. You buy one for 700, sell for $40. So now it's a beautiful trade for us.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.